Let's run WordPress in less than a minute. We don't need fancy hosting or fancy domains to get ourselves into WordPress web development. All we need is one tool, and this tool is called Local WP. Now, Local WP simply means local WordPress, and this will be running locally in our computer, so we don't need the hosting and the domains. So I'm showing you how local WP looks. So this is the local WP. So I already have 4 websites that I have created using this, the local WP. So I can go ahead and click WP admin to open the admin dashboard, and I can open the site and view how the website looks. So this is now my dashboard, my WordPress dashboard. It looks exactly the same to the one hosted online, and then we have the website itself. So you can see my simple iframe creations website, so our services, what we offer. So if you are a beginner and you want to run WordPress and you don't have the capital maybe to buy the domains, actually, which is not important at the beginner stage, you need to learn how to conveniently use local WP. After now learning how to use local WP, you can smoothly then transition into using the live web hosting and connecting those domains. Now for the final part of the video, let's run how we can install the local WP in our computers. So on a new tab, I'll come in here and I'll type local WP install. So also mean like install local WP, and then I'll click on the first link to appear up here. Then I'll click on this green button, download, and then I'll choose my platform. Now my platform simply means the OS, the operating system that I'm using, or rather my computer. So currently I'm using Windows, and then I'll enter my first name. Then I'll choose my organization, so I'm an independent freelancer, and click on get it now. After that, you can see your download is starting. Then up here we are going to see the download started. Then after that, you'll get a setup that you will be able to configure your local WP into your computer.